हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू लर्न विद फार्मेसी। तो चलिए फार्माकोग्नोसी एंड फाइटोकेमिस्ट्री 2 एमसीक्यू सीरीज में आज हम फार्माकोग्नोसी एंड फाइटोकेमिस्ट्री 2 यूनिट फर्स्ट में बात करने वाले हैं मेटाबॉलिक पाथवे इन हायर प्लांट एंड देयर डिटर्मिनेशन के ऊपर। तो इसमें जो हमारा कंटेंट है वो है ब्रीफ स्टडी ऑफ बेसिक मेटाबॉलिक पाथवे एंड फॉर्मेशन ऑफ डिफरेंट सेकेंडरी मेटाबोलाइट थ्रू दिस फेजेस, दैट इज सिग्मिक एसिड पाथवे, एसिटेट पाथवे एंड अमीनो एसिड पाथवे, और दूसरा है स्टडी ऑफ यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ रेडियोएक्टिव आइसोटोप इन द इन्वेस्टिगेशन ऑफ बायोजेनेटिक स्टडी। तो इसके ऊपर हम एमसीक्यू सॉल्व करने वाले हैं। तो दोस्तों, आप लोगों को करना क्या है कि वीडियो को देखते रहिए, और यदि आपको यह पीडीएफ डाउनलोड करना है तो मैंने वीडियो के अंदर 2 क्वेश्चंस का जवाब दिया नहीं है, तो आप उन क्वेश्चंस का जवाब कमेंट करके आपकी ईमेल आईडी कमेंट बॉक्स में डालकर हमें कमेंट कर सकते हैं, जिसके ऊपर हम आपको पीडीएफ भेज देंगे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन से। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है स्टेरॉयडल सैपोनिन्स आर बायोसिंथेसाइज्ड वाया। तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर है मेवेलोनिक एसिड पाथवे। So through mevalonic acid pathway, the biosynthesis of steroidal saponins takes place. Question number 2. Ornithine is a precursor of the cyclic pyrrolidine that occur in the alkaloid. So the correct answer is all of the above. So it occur in nicotine, nornicotine and nicotinic acid. So the correct answer is all of the above. Question number 3. Steroid nucleus contain. So the correct answer is cyclopentanoperhydrophenethrin. Question number 4. Clavin nucleus is biosynthesized from. So the correct answer is tryptophan plus isopentenyl pyrophosphate. So from tryptophan plus isopentyl pyrophosphate, clavin nucleus is synthesized. Question number 5. Choose the correct key intermediate for the biosynthesis of C6 and C3 unit, which serves as a precursor for the biosynthesis of amino acid. So the correct answer for this question is cyclic acid. So from cyclic acid, the biosynthesis of C6 and C3 unit takes place, which serves as a precursor for the biosynthesis of amino acids. Question number 6. Fatty acid and lipids are biosynthesized through the pathway of. So the correct answer is malonic acid. So through malonic acid pathway, the biosynthesis of fatty acid and lipids takes place. Question number 7. Isoprenoids can be biosynthesized by. So the correct answer for this question is mevalonic acid pathway. So through mevalonic acid pathway, isoprenoids are synthesized. Question number 8. Monoterpenes and steroidal compound can be biosynthesized by. So the correct answer for this question is mevalonic acid pathway. So through mevalonic acid pathway, monoterpenes and steroidal compounds are biosynthesized. Question number 9. Fatty acid and lipid can be biosynthesized by. Options are ischemic acid pathway, malonic acid pathway, mevalonic acid pathway, or both A and C. So the answer for this question is not provided. So if you want the PDF for this lecture, so at least try to comment the answer of this question. Question number 10. The elucidation of biosynthetic pathway in the plant for the production of various plant metabolites, including phytopharmaceutical, has been extensively examined by the means of isotopically labeled precursor. This technique is known as. So the correct answer is tracer techniques. Question number 11. Steroidal compounds are biosynthesized in the plant by. So the correct answer is mevalonic acid pathway. So through mevalonic acid pathway, the steroidal compounds are synthesized. Anthranylic acid is the precursor for. So the correct answer is tryptophan. Question number 13. Catecholamine are derived from. So the correct answer is tyrosine. So from tyrosine, catecholamines are being derived. Question number 14. Cyclic acid is produced from. So the correct answer is phosphoenol pyrite and erythrose 4-phosphate. So from phosphoenol pyrite and erythrose 4-phosphate, cyclic acid is being produced. Question number 15. Which one of the following is a bile acid? So the correct answer is both of the above. That means sodium taurocholate and sodium glycocholate. Both are a bile acids. Question number 16. The precursor of strychnine and brucine alkaloid biosynthesis is. So the correct answer for this question is tryptophan and triptamine is the correct answer. So tryptophan and triptamine are the precursor for the biosynthesis of strychnine and brucine alkaloids. Question number 17. Putrescine having bicyclic pyrrolidine skeleton is derived from. So the correct answer for this question is arginine. Question number 18. The precursor for d-erythrose 4-phosphate and phosphoenol pyrite combines to form 3-deoxy-D-arbinoheptulosonic acid 7-phosphate, that is known as DAHP, a reaction catalyzed by. So the correct answer for this question is phospho-2-oxo 3-deoxyheptonate aldolase. Question number 19. Meroterpenoids contains. So the correct answer is C5 terpenoid units. Question number 20. In cyclic acid pathway, cyclic acid is. So the correct answer is an intermediate product. So in cyclic acid pathway, cyclic acid is an intermediate product. Question number 21. Which one of the following is a flavonoid precursor? So the correct answer, that is chalcone. So chalcone is a flavonoid precursor. Question number 22. Which one of the following is an adaptogen? So the correct answer is ginseng. Adaptogen means plant substance or herbs that has been found to be help our body in managing stress and maintain balance or homeostasis. In simple word, they help us to adapt to external stressors by strengthening our internal system. So the correct answer is ginseng. In common words, ginseng is known as ashwagandha. You may know ashwagandha. So this ashwagandha was used for centuries in Chinese and Ayurvedic system of medicine. Question number 23. Intermediate in the biosynthesis of cholesterol are. So the correct answer is mevalonic acid and isopentenyl pyrophosphate. So malonic acid and isopentenyl pyrophosphate are intermediate in the cholesterol biosynthesis. Question number 24. The starting material for the synthesis of tropane alkaloids is, so the correct answer, that is both A and B. That means ornithine and methyl ornithine both are the starting material in the synthesis of tropane alkaloids. Question number 25. Iridoids are, so the correct answer is monoterpenoids with cyclopentane and 6-member oxygen heterocycles known as iridoids. Question number 26, that is biosynthesis of alizarin follows. So the correct answer is both A and C. That means cyclic acid pathway and mevalonic acid both are responsible for the biosynthesis of alizarin. Question number 27. The biological source of soybean is, so the correct answer is glycerin max. So glycerin max is the biological source of soybean. Question number 28. Vitamin D3 is also known as, so the correct answer, that is cholecalciferol. So vitamin D3 is also known as cholecalciferol. Question number 29. And alkaloids which contain isoquinoline ring structure. So the correct answer is papaverine. Question number 30. Starting material for tetracycline biosynthesis is, so the correct answer is melanamide succinyl CoA and malonyl CoA. So melanamide succinyl CoA and malonyl CoA is the starting material for the biosynthesis of tetracycline. Question number 31. Indole alkaloids are derived from, so the correct answer is tryptophan. So from tryptophan indole alkaloids are being derived. Question number 32. The tropane alkaloids are derived from the, so the correct answer is L-ornithine. So from L-ornithine the tropane alkaloids are being derived. Question number 33. 3,3-dimethyl allyl pyrophosphate is an intermediate in the biosynthesis of. Options are alkaloids, glycosides, triglyceride, isoprenoids. So if you want the PDF of today's lecture, so try to comment the answer of this question in the comment box. Question number 34. Biosynthesis of alizarin follows. So I think this question is being repeated second time. So the answer was both A and C. So cyclic acid pathway and mevalonic acid pathway are responsible for the biosynthesis of alizarin. Question number 35. Phylloquinone and menaquinone are derived from. So the correct answer for this question is cyclic acid pathway. So from cyclic acid pathway, phylloquinone and menaquinone are being derived. Question number 36. Starting material in cyclic acid pathway is, so the correct answer is phosphophenol pyric acid and erythros 4-phosphate is the starting material in the cyclic acid pathway. Question number 37. Glycyrrhizin derived from Glycyrrhizia glabra is a, so the correct answer is trypsin. Question number 38. Which of the following amino acid are formed via cyclic acid pathway? So the answer is all of the above. So phenylalanine is formed via cyclic acid pathway. Tyrosine is also formed via cyclic acid pathway, and tryptophan is also formed via cyclic acid pathway. So the answer that is all of the above. Question number 39. Steroids are biosynthesized by. So the correct answer for this question is mevalonate pathway. So from mevalonate pathway, steroids are synthesized. Question number 40. The cyclic acid is the key intermediate for biosynthesis of. So the correct answer is C6C3 unit. So from cyclic acid biosynthesis of C6C3 unit takes place, which serves as a precursor for the biosynthesis of amino acids. Question number 41. Quinoline alkaloids are biosynthesized via which one of the following pathway? So the correct answer that is cyclic acid to tryptophan. So from cyclic acid pathway to tryptophan pathway, quinoline alkaloids are being biosynthesized. Question number 42. Squalene hydrocarbon originally isolated from shark is a. So the correct answer is tryptine. Sorry, the correct answer was triterpenes. Squalene hydrocarbon originally isolated from shark is a triterpene. Question number 43. Isoprenoids can be biosynthesized by. So the correct answer is mevalonic acid pathway. So from mevalonic acid pathway, isoprenoids are synthesized. Question number 44. Terpenoids are obtained from which biosynthetic pathway? So the answer is mevalonic acid pathway. So from mevalonic acid pathway, terpenoids are obtained. Question number 45. Digitoxygenine can be biosynthesized by. So the correct answer is mevalonic acid pathway. So from mevalonic acid pathway, digitoxygenine are biosynthesized. Question number 46. Ischemic acid acts as a precursor for biosynthesis of. So the correct answer that is amino acids. Question number 47. Rotenoids, an insecticide of dairies, biosynthesized through the pathway of. So the correct answer is cyclic acid and acetic acid pathway. So from cyclic acid and acetic acid pathway, rotenoids are synthesized. Question number 48. The pyrrolidine ring of alkaloids drug is derived from. So the correct answer that is ornithine. So from ornithine, the pyrrolidine ring of alkaloid drug is derived. Question number 49. Vitamin A2 is. So the correct answer is dihydroretinol. Vitamin A2 is dihydroretinol. And the last question, question number 50, that is match the following. Here are the precursor on the left side and the on right side it is products. So we have to match the precursor with their right product. So cyclic acid. So the product or cyclic acid will be aldehyde glycoside, and the product of the precursor is acetate. Its correct product will be steroids. Next precursor, that is squalene. So the right product of squalene is digitoxygenine, and the last precursor, that is ornithine. Its correct product is terpene alkaloids. Terpene alkaloids. तो इस तरीके से फार्माकोग्नोसी एंड फाइटोकेमिस्ट्री 2 से यूनिट 1 में 50 क्वेश्चन हमने कवर कर लिए हैं। तो आशा करता हूँ कि आपके एग्ज़ाम में इसमें से मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चन आ जाए। तो फिर मिलते हैं किसी और सब्जेक्ट के MCQ सीरीज़ में। तो लाइक, शेयर और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। थैंक यू।